Hello everyone, this is Arif from, at the moment I am in Matsushima, Kaigan, I think it's near Sendai. So along with me is Maya, not Maja. And actually I try to remember the name of our country, but still it has a lot of English spellings. So I'll ask you, Maya, what's your country name?
My country's name is Montenegro.
Montenegro. It's near to
Serbia, if you know where Serbia
in Europe, a
is.
small country in.
Small country in Europe, yeah, and it's near the best landmark, I guess, is Italy.
So
near
it's
Italy.
near Italy.
Yeah.
So
Across the sea.
you are in Japan since 2020, yes?
Yeah, December 2020.
December 2020. Okay. So how's your experience of living in Japan?
My experience of living in Japan, pretty good, I might say. Even though it's Corona time, but I had some great time here, and got lucky to find this ISA work as soon as I got here. So I got to meet all of the people, even though I didn't go to any of my classes in person. All of them were online, but still was a great time.
Okay, thank you. So one more thing, which is your favorite place in Japan so far? You have been to many places, so if you want to, I know it's pretty hard to rate the things, but still, how about your favorite place in Japan? Tokyo.
Okay. I liked Okinawa and I liked Kyoto. Yeah, it was maybe. I think I'd like to visit Kyoto again because it seemed very lively for a smaller town, even though not so small compared to my towns, but okay. And it has like like it doesn't have all those big buildings that Tokyo has, and I can rest my eyes a bit.
And how about one last thing is, how about the food in my country? For example, in my country, when I came to Japan, the first hurdle for me in my country, we like spicy things a lot. So in Japan, I was unable to find a lot of spice. So how about the particularly the food things in Japan? Are you enjoying the different dishes of Japan?
I'm not really that big a fan of cuisine but compared to my food, yeah, I couldn't find anything similar here. I really sometimes miss my food, and now with every day that I spend here, I miss my food a little bit more when I see the salmon again and again, and udon and curry, like
Okay, no problem.
but I can manage.
Yeah,
I just miss it, but I know I'll get to eat my food again.
I hope very soon. Yeah, after 2 months probably.
Yes.
You'll be back, and so all the best. So I'm gonna upload this video on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Yeah, so thank you so much.
My pleasure.